Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to turn off camera on TikTok live. So basically you can only do this if you are going live with someone. For example, if I'm going live with this person and I don't want to show my face, I can turn off camera. So the first thing I have to do is to request to join this person's live, and then if the person accepts, then I can now turn off my camera so that I won't show my face. So I'm going to click on the request button at the bottom of my screen and click on request. Alright, so after that I'm going to have to wait for this person to accept my request. Alright, she's accepting it right now. So once she accepts, then if you look right there, there's a camera icon, and once it's turned off like this, then you can go live without showing your face. But again, I'm going to tap on myself on the live. Right, so I can turn on the camera if I want. So I can just click on the camera icon right there and click on save at the bottom of my screen. So once I click on save at the bottom of my screen, this person can be able to see my face just like this. So guys, this is how you can do it. This is how you can turn off or turn on camera on TikTok live. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.